Hello, lovely crafters. Welcome back to our channel, your go-to spot for all things craft. Today, we've got a sewing project that's perfect for adding a personal touch to your home decor. How to sew 2 curtain panels together. Alright, let's get started on bringing those curtain panels together. 1. Materials needed. First things first, let's gather our materials. You'll need 2 curtain panels, a sewing machine, matching thread, pins, and scissors. 2. Preparing the panels. Lay out your curtain panels on a flat surface and make sure they're both clean and pressed. We want to work with smooth, even fabric for the best results. Choosing a design. You can go for a symmetrical look by sewing the panels together along the middle or get creative with an off-center design. It's all about your personal style and how you want your curtains to look. 3. Pinning and sewing. Time to get sewing. Start by pinning the panels together along the chosen seam line. Make sure the fabric edges align perfectly. This will serve as our guide for stitching. Stitching. Now head over to the sewing machine. Use a straight stitch for a clean and secure seam. Sew along the pinned line, removing the pins as you go. 4. Finishing touches. Once you've stitched both panels together, it's time for the finishing touches. Trim any excess thread and give your new seam a quick press with an iron. This helps the seam lay flat and looks polished. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to sew 2 curtain panels together to create a unique look for your space. I hope you enjoyed this sewing tutorial.